How do you think Gautam will react if Seema tells him? Your question is, if feelings are not expressed, do you think they will necessarily go away? Group number 4, आपके लिए question है, is it better to recognize and express the feelings as in Seema's case? Please give reasons for your response.
Gautam is a very good friend of Seema and therefore he will understand Seema's feelings and emotions.
If Gautam agrees with Seema's proposal, he will happy with Seema because he is getting such a life partner whom he knows well.
अगर सीमा अपनी फीलिंग्स किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करेगी तो इससे वो डिप्रेस हो सकती है और इससे उसकी फीलिंग्स जाना मुश्किल होगा.
If we do not express our feelings, then they will rather settle down deep inside our mind instead of going away, and this will result in many negative consequences.
One should think of both the negative and positive impacts of feelings before expressing. It may be the family members who will oppose the relationship or the person himself or herself to whom she is confessing.
हम लोगों ने आज देखा कि हमारे फ्रेंड्स ने लिख के भी दिया कि लव इज़ म्यूचुअल, इट कैनॉट बी इम्पोज्ड ऑन एनीथिंग एनीवन. अगर कि कोई हमसे लव रोमांस ये सब रिलेशन नहीं रखना चाहता तो वी कैनॉट फोर्स हिम और हर.
कि इस उम्र में जैसा हम सोचते हैं वो गलत नहीं है. इस उम्र में हम लोग अपने सबसे करीबी जो भी हो उनसे हम लोग अपना बात शेयर करना चाहते हैं.
The Vidyalayas which comes from Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti are residential. Both girls and boys stay together in residential, where this AEP program is very much useful and the students are realizing the importance of the program.
This kind of education is a must, is a necessary, in which we were always careful that they should be culturally sensitive.
But there is a lot of resistance. If resistance is there, definitely the teacher will not talk into the system. They will not interact with the children into the classroom situation, and therefore they will not only information is not enough, but developing their attitudes. And for developing their attitude, and the teacher has to do a major role, the parents has to do a major role, the society has to do a major role, and they have to understand that we are not developing any material, any program, any activities which is not in consonance with our value system.
हम पेरेंट्स को भी काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. जैसे हम बच्चों के संग किस तरह से बिहेवियर करें. टीनेज आते आते बच्चा थोड़ा व्यवहार दूसरे तरह से हो जाते हैं. अपने दोस्त जैसा हमें उसका व्यवहार करना पड़ता है, और साथ ही जितने भी उसके कलीग्स हैं उनके साथ वो किस तरह से रहे. स्कूल में उसका किस तरह से उसको व्यवहार करना चाहिए, और दूसरे जो अपने घर के जो मेंबर्स हैं, अडल्ट्स हैं, उनसे किस तरह से व्यवहार करना चाहिए, ये भी सब कुछ उसमें इंक्लूड होता है.
इससे पता लगता है कि बच्चों के साथ टीनेजर्स में माता पिता को भी क्या व्यवहार करने चाहिए, या माता पिता के मन में भी कुछ इस प्रकार के प्रश्न हैं वो वहाँ समाधान कर सकता है कि हमें घर पर बच्चों के साथ किस प्रकार का टीनेजर्स में व्यवहार करना चाहिए.
Since our learners are always dispersed and they are at distance, so we thought of taking a different approach of putting it into the curriculum area, particularly self-learning material.
Everything is curricular and they need to be integrated into the subject areas as well as into life and the child's existence, for the world to be interested, the children with their world and this AEP to gel together. It has to be current as in what are the needs, the present needs, and therefore the AEP must keep changing appropriately.
The AEP rests on a solid foundation provided by NCERT and the UNFPA.
The program aims to give adolescents
space to explore
and reach their own conclusions
confidently,
to plan ahead,
to take responsibility
for their actions
and claim their future.